Child. They're videoing them. Thank God. Let them do. They have war in their country. You understand? They are too much, huh? See, this one is happy. Even then, they don't like this because the country is quiet now. They are too much. Huh? You can save them, please. You can save them. You can save them. You can save them. You can save them. They are too much, huh?
Yes, they are too much, huh? They tire, you know?
Oh, no.
They are going to give themselves to police them in the Johnson. Yes. They want to surrender, you know?
It's true.
Even the woman them, you see?
Child. Not too much, that's still coming. Let me see. Let them say they want to pack. Let them pack. They start shooting guns.
Yes, as soon as they see them, they start shooting gun now. You see? You see, they are shooting them. You see? You see, they are going to give themselves to surrender. So no problem, let them go. That's the problem for Libya, wallahi.
Why this country? Why they don't have human being hearts?
I'm tired, it's okay.